Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Welcome to my Pilates studio here in Los Angeles, and we're continuing our Cadillac love, and we'll do chest expansion here on the Cadillac. I absolutely love teaching people chest expansion here on the Cadillac. It is a great place to learn it. Also in the baby chair, it's a good spot to learn it before you do it on the reformer where there's a moving platform, right? So we have a really solid piece of equipment here that we can kneel on. We have some good springs. If they've been doing breathing on the Cadillac, then they know how to pull the bar towards them. So it's a really just a great way to level ourselves and our clients up. And because we're now kneeling, it becomes an interesting way of challenging the body where you could definitely lose your connection to your center. So when you set up for kneeling chest expansion, it's about an arm's distance from the poles when the arms are on your back. So if my arms were off my back, I could still touch here, unattractive, but I could, right? If my arms are on my back, I'm about here. I'm going to take my hands as wide as the bar. I really like these long, wide bars because if they're too narrow, it's really easy to get too pecky, right? I want to make sure the pinky side of the hand is touching the bar. And then there's two options here with the legs. So sometimes with people who are newer to the seat connection, I'll have them put their heels together because then they can press their heels together to move their seats over their knees. So some people are here and like nothing's going to happen here, right? Or they're like this. I'm like, okay, I got it. But there's no connection. And then, or they're here and they're shoving their lower back forward. So if you put your heels together, and your knees are about hip distance apart, you can press, find that seat connection, and really stand on them. Then you want to challenge yourself to do it with your legs parallel and your feet pressing down, okay? So let's start here. We're going to have our arms pull into the bar, and we kind of come to it. So I'm not going to just pull the bar to me. I'm kind of bringing myself to the bar as the bar comes to me. And then you look both ways. And then you come. And you're really going to try to look to you're going to stretch the tight side first, then the not tight side, and then forward. And then when you switch, you'll go not tight side, switch. And then give your tight side one extra stretch. Good. So a purpose for doing this is not that it's an arm exercise or a tricep exercise. You're really trying to challenge your connection of your arms to your back because there's a lot of exercises in Pilates where our arms come this way. And it can't just be choreography. It has to be a connection. We have to rise to the occasion, right? So when you do your overhead on the mat, your control balance off the reformer, your overhead on the reformer, your roll over on the mat, your jackknife, your corkscrew, and your arms are pressing down by your side, you really want to feel like you're connected to your back and not just like pushing, right? So it's really helpful. Typically, you would do chest expansion and even thigh stretch right afterwards. So you'll stay tuned for next time when we'll take on the thigh stretch. Thank you so much. If you have questions or comments, please post them below. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel so you never miss a how-to video from us. And I will see you next time.